Hi everyone, it's James. Welcome to my kitchen. I am going to make a two-part video on how to make gingerbread cookies. Today's video is on how to make gingerbread dough. On a different day, I'll show you how to make gingerbread cookies. So let's get to it. Okay, to make gingerbread dough, you're going to need to get a lot of flour. This is Japanese writing. I'm in Japan. Okay, get all-purpose flour. Get molasses. Eggs, sugar. I have brown sugar and white sugar, but I think I'll use brown sugar. It just looks better. And I have ginger, so you get ginger, and cinnamon. This is cinnamon powder. Nutmeg, salt, vanilla. This is vanilla extract. Baking soda. Lots of butter. And the utensils you'll be needing. You are going to need a large bowl, measuring spoons, and a blender or food processor. This is a food processor. This is essential, and a rolling pin, and a measuring cup. Let's get to it. Okay guys, for 100 cookies, I'm planning to make 100 gingerbread cookies. I'm going to need 12.5 cups of flour. Okay, so what I want to do, I want to put my dry stuff all together. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add some salt. I am going to get my little measuring spoons, and I am going to find a teaspoon of salt. This is 1 TSP. You can get this at the 100-yen shop. TSP. Okay, I got about a little over 1 teaspoon of salt. That's fine. I'm going to have to whisk this all around. That's salt. And then I'm going to put in 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. Ooh, I ran out of nutmeg. I just made it. Well, that's it. I'm going to use cinnamon anyway. Now for the cinnamon, I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of cinnamon and 1¼ teaspoons of cinnamon. You can put in as much as you want. That's 1 tablespoon. And I'm going to have 1¼ teaspoons of cinnamon. 1¼ teaspoons. 1¼ teaspoons. Here's my teaspoon. 1 teaspoon. And a quarter. Here is a ¼ teaspoon. And don't worry about going over. So this is what it looks like. Okay. I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of ginger and 2¼ teaspoons of ginger. I'm running low. Oh, And here's my teaspoon, 1 teaspoon. I'll put in just a teaspoon. Now it looks like I'm just going over, which I am. I'm putting a bit over what I'm saying, but that's fine. It's beginning to smell aromatic here. I'm going to put in 1 tablespoon and 1 1/4 teaspoons of baking soda. And I'm using the 1 teaspoon and 1/4 like that. Don't worry. I mean, you don't have to worry if you're over. I mean, like me. It seems like I'm just putting more than I'm saying, which is true. It doesn't matter. Okay, I got all my dry ingredients in here. Oh, now for the sugar. Well, you know what? I'm going to whisk this around. Get one of these. You can do it manually or you can put it in the blender, but I'm just going to do it manually. I'll do that after. And then I'm going to have to melt this butter. Okay, I'm going to throw the brown sugar. Now you're going to need a lot of sugar here. Okay, I'm going to use 3 cups of brown sugar, and I might just put some white sugar in after it. 3 cups. And I'm going to add some, I'm going to use my tablespoon. Oh, look, there is another tablespoon here. So I'll put in some white sugar. One and 2. Okay, 1 and 2. And use the whisk again and give it a good mix. Okay, that's looking good. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is get the eggs. Okay, I'm going to be using 4 eggs. I'm going to be using 3 eggs. I could put them directly in, but I want to beat them. Three eggs. Now I have to melt this butter. I'm going to need a lot of butter. 3 cups of butter and 2 tablespoons of butter. And they have to be softened. That will fit in there. Quite a bit of butter. I'm cutting 3/4 of it. Set this on high. Gotta melt that. Okay, I'm finally done. I had to melt 2 bars of butter. I have 2 cups of butter rather than 3 cups. So I'm just gonna pour this in like this. And pour the eggs. So I need 2 cups of this. I could do it this way, but that's actually the slow way. I'm just gonna pour all of it in. This is 355 milliliters. So this is going to take some time. So I'm going to pause the video. I poured all the molasses into this mixture. Now I'm going to add some vanilla extract. And I'm going to put in 1 tablespoon of it. There. Okay, now it's time to do the mixing. Okay, I'm going to use this rice spoon to mix. This is what it looks like so far. I'll have a sample. Nice. Nice and sweet. Excellent. This is going to be a winner. Yeah, I think I can just use my hands. So once I'm done with the dough, I'll saran wrap everything, put them in the refrigerator, and let them sit for a day or two. Okay, make sure you don't put too much dough inside. You don't want it to get jammed. That's from experience. Oh yeah, it's looking beautiful. This is what it's supposed to look like. Eat this. We don't want it wet. Okay guys, that's it for now. I'm going to saran wrap everything and then put them in the refrigerator and let them sit. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching guys. Bye.